This is a special mantra meditation that will help you to reprogram your body and your mind. And the way that this meditation is designed to use is to connect it with your breath and your body. So with every iteration of the mantra, you bring your hands to body, or you can leave it on the same space. And to prepare for the meditation, you can ask your body, what needs the most love right now? And you might immediately feel a sensation in your stomach, in your heart, in your throat, in your head, any part of your body. You might feel this tingly sensation, you might feel a heaviness, or you might just have a sense, a knowing for where your body is seeking love. And to connect the words with your breath, you'll inhale for one round of the mantra and you'll exhale for the next round of the mantra. And today's mantra is, I love you, thank you. And you're saying, I love you, thank you to yourself, to God, to the universe, to your higher power, to your inner child. And what this is going to do is it's going to help to integrate the vibration of these words into your subconscious mind and into your physical body, into your muscles, your joints, your blood, your cells, even your DNA. So let's begin. Inhale, I love you. Exhale, thank you. Inhale, I love you. Exhale, thank you. You can just have a sense for what part of your body is seeking some love right now and move your hands accordingly. I love you. Thank you. 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 So notice what comes up for you now. Notice what thoughts and emotions come to the surface as you tell your body and your being, I love you, thank you. What sensations do you feel? What is this really about? What are you really loving? And what are you really thinking?